Do you enjoy listening to music? Do you go online looking for your favorite songs? Who doesn't? But what if I could tell you that you can earn $12 for every single song that you listen to? Wouldn't that be amazing? Just imagine doing something you enjoy so much like listening to music and getting paid for it. I mean, this is crazy. Just multiply how many songs you hear every single day by $12 that you will get for every single song. That's a lot of money. Well, in this video I will show you what website to use, how to use it correctly so you can start making money as soon as possible, and some tips and strategies that will help you double or even triple your earnings. This method is absolutely free and it works worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from, you will still be able to make some money with this. But before that, make sure you smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any video from me about simple and easy ways of making money online. And if you want my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online, if you want to know how I was able to quit my construction job and start making some real money just with my laptop, click on the first link down in the video description and I will share all the details on the inside. Okay, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because there are a lot of valuable tips I want to share with you. So step #1, I want you to go to google.com and I want you to type in playlist push and click on search. And this is what you're going to see. The first website that pops up on top, which is Playlist Push, Playlist Music Pitching Service. Click on that link, and once you click on that, this is what you're going to see. The website looks like this, as you can see right here, connecting artists to playlist curators. So this is the website that you're going to make $12 for every single song that you listen to. But there are a few strategies, a few other different websites that I want to share with you throughout this video. And if you combine all of them, you can effectively increase your income that you're able to make on this one single website for absolutely free. So please pay attention to this, because I want to make this as easy as possible for you so you can make those $12 payouts. In today's strategy, you and I, as a complete beginner, were actually the playlist curators. I'm going to explain to you how it works, but right now I want to show you some statistics and numbers on the actual website just to make sure that this is legit. There are over 800 different curators from all over the world. They're actually making real money by listening to music on this platform, and they have been featured on many big brands and companies, including Medium and Fortune as well. Plenty of good testimonials and reviews. So right now, step #2, I want you to hover your mouse and go click on this, for curators on the top right corner. Click on this one, and on the next page of this website, you're going to see monetize and grow your playlists. And when you scroll down a little bit, down here you're going to see this, get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it into one of your playlists. And here's where you can earn $12 for every single song. And I want you to imagine one song you're going to earn $12. What if you just listen to 10 songs per day? That is $120 every single day just by listening to music. I mean, how cool is that? With those money, you can do so many different things. You can go on a vacation or pay for your car payment. There are so many ways that you can spend those money. And right now I'll show you exactly how to do this. And the best part about this website is that they pay out weekly. There are a lot of different websites like this, but they pay out every month, or they have a minimum withdrawal limit before you can get to your money. Not this website. They pay out every single Friday without missing a single week, and they're going to pay you straight into your PayPal account. This is not some point earning or gift card system and stuff like that. Just some pure cash into your PayPal account. But there is one catch about this method, and that is you need to have at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer or Apple Music. This is what stops a lot of beginners. When they come on this website, they see that they can make so much money by listening to music, but later they realize that they need to fulfill this criteria in order to make that money. I need to fulfill this requirement before I'm able to make this money right here. This is why I'm here. I will show you a free way on how to get these followers in no time. All you need is the 3 websites I'm going to show you right now, and if you take action right after watching this video and combine all of them together, you can easily get 400 followers from scratch, from zero, even if you have nothing at all right now. Okay, all you need is just follow me until the end of this video and you will learn everything exactly how to go from zero and grow up to 400 followers on Spotify. This is what we're going to be focusing on today's video, because it is much more easier compared to Deezer and Apple Music. Okay? And after you gain your first 400 followers on Spotify, that's where you can listen to music and write a very short 1 or 2 minute review, or just simply add the music into your existing playlists. And this is where you can earn $12 again and again. Now this is definitely not some get rich quick method, but again, if you put in a bit of effort, which I'll show you how to do this, you can easily gain those followers. And after that, it is really some easy money for you. $12 again and again. But before I show you the actual strategy and a few websites that you can quickly gain your 400 followers right now, I want to show you how you can sign up and get a free account. I want you to hover your mouse and go click on this sign me button right here. Click on this one. And this is another page where you can see sign up as a curator. You and I were the curators for this website, and we're going to see sign up using your Spotify. And I want you to click on that right now. And once you click on that button, we're going to redirect you to the Spotify website. If you have a Spotify account, you just have to log in into your Spotify account or using your Facebook. But if you don't have any account on Spotify, just go on and create a free account. Click on sign up for Spotify, and this is where you're going to put in your email, your password, and where should we call you, your date of birth, your male, female. Click on I'm not a robot and sign up for a free Spotify account, because you need a Spotify account to log into your playlist push account. And after you get your first 400 followers, you're able to review different songs, and each and every one of them you're going to get paid $12 again and again, and sending into your PayPal account every single week. The first website that I want to show you is Reddit, specifically reddit/r/Spotify. This is a free to join forum, and as you can see here, there are so many playlists that people share on this forum. What they are doing right now is that they create a playlist on Spotify, right? They come up with a theme. Maybe it's about hip hop, maybe it's about rock music. So they come up with a playlist and they copy and they share it in Reddit forums. And what they do is that they're going to get so much views, so much impressions, and some people in this forum, I mean hundreds of thousands of people, they might come across their posts and they might follow them on Spotify. This is how they gain free followers on a very targeted forum. Because all of these people, all of the members that they join this forum, they are interested in music, and there is a very high chance for you that they are going to follow your playlist, as long as you're putting something really good in your playlist. Just add a few songs into their playlist and share them on reddit.com/r/Spotify. This is the first method to quickly get your first 400 followers. And if you want to sign up for a free account, just hover your mouse and go on to click on this blue sign up button, and they're going to pop up this new window. Just put in your email address and press on next and put in your password. Just sign up for a free account and you can begin posting and sharing your playlist on this website. And so right now, let us go on the second website, which is playlist.net. So on this website, you can basically share, post, and upload your playlists. On this website, there are so many playlists, so much music, and every single day there are so many people using it. They're going to come on this website and listen to different playlists. And so with this website, you're going to gain so much followers as well. So all you have to do is just go on this and click on this one. Submit a playlist. This is red button. Once you click on that, you can see that you must log in and connect with Spotify in order to submit your playlist. If you don't have any account, again, just go and click on this red login button. Here is where you can see login or register. If you're completely new right here, not a member yet, register with playlist.net. Just click on this register, they're going to pop up a new page. As you can see right here, your name, your username, your country, your email, your password, and also click on this red register button. And that's all you need to begin submitting your playlist of Spotify right here on playlist.net, and they're going to recommend, they're going to promote your playlist. That's really going to generate so much followers on complete autopilot while you're sleeping. I mean, all of these websites are pretty simple, pretty easy. Once you create a free account, once you put up your playlist, just go onto this website and share them out. And from there, always you're going to generate $12 again and again on playlistpush.com by just reviewing and listening to music. And so last but not least, we're going to go into the third website, which is southplay.com. On this website, you can basically promote Spotify playlists and you're going to get so much followers. All you need to do is just go and click on this plus playlist right here, click on this one. And you're going to see grow your Spotify playlist with our free submission system. And again, this is something very similar as playlist.net. These are three methods you're able to combine all together to get to those 400 followers as quickly as possible. Number 1, Reddit. Number 2, playlist.net. And number 3, southplay.com. Combine our three together share your Spotify playlist on these 3 websites and you're able to quickly gain your first 400 followers. As you can see right here, once you achieve that, that's all you need to qualify as a curator on the playlistpush.com, and you can begin to do some paid per review, $12 per song again and again, paid out quickly into your PayPal account. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. And if you're looking for the best way to make a full-time passive income online, if you're curious to know how I left my job in construction and start generating the kind of money that can change your life, make sure to check the first link in the description of this video and I will show you exactly how to do that. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos on making money online. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day and I will see you on the next one.